coders, welcome back to my channel Get Coded, and today is our class 5 on C programming. So before we start on C programming, I just want to know that some guys are not able to download and install this software. So I have got something for y'all. This is an online compiler where you have to select a language. So here I'll be selecting C, as we would be working on C. So it gives a C language workspace. So when you do this and then when you run it, you get a output over here. So that's it. So here you get the output, and like that you can do it. So for now I am going to do on CODEBLOCKS. If you want to do on this online compiler, the link is in the description. So coming to the today's program, we are going to write a switch case function. So we are going to write about a program which is going to select a month which is existing. Okay, a month will be existing and then we will display that month. So like if a user enters 1, so it should display January. If a user enters 5, so it should display May. If he enters 13, so we should give him an error, like there are only 12 months in a year. Okay, so let's just get started. For that, if you want to see the colors here, you need to first save. So Ctrl S and enter. See, you see the color change. So let's just write our main program. Just write your skeleton first, okay, and then just start with the programming, the actual thing. So first we need user to enter a number. It should be enter a number to display the month. Okay, so it should be less than 12. Sorry. Okay, this is a message which would be displayed to the user when he runs this program. Then semicolon, then enter. So now when the user enters, we are going to save it. It's going to be an integer, so %d, and then we'll save it in A. If I am writing A here, I need to declare A first, so integer A. So we have declared it now. You can declare it here or you could have declared it here also, so integer A. It works both fine. Okay, for now let's just try the new thing. Okay, so here comes the semicolon, and now so here comes the semicolon. So the number would be going to get saved in the address of A. So we are going to use %A. Okay, every time just remember in the scanf function you are going to use this ampersand sign to show the address of the variable where it is going to be stored. So let's just write a switch case. So switch, and then we need to switch it to such a number which the user has entered. So user has entered A, any number A, so which the number is stored in A. So A, switch to A, and then the semicolon comes. Then comes the switch braces. Switch braces comes. Now comes our case statement. So if case 1, you can write a case 1 semicolon and then write the case thing, like print whatever you need to do. Print F, and it should print me January. So like that we are going to write till December. Also one thing, if you want to exit from case 1, you just need to enter a backspace. So you are out of the case 1. So I'll be writing case 12, and then there would be a break statement and a default statement. Yeah, so I have written the 12 case statements, and now comes the main thing, is the break statement. So break statement will do what? If the programmer has entered 1, okay, so it should give only January, but if you don't write break statement, the program will execute the case 2, case 3, every case it will execute. Okay, so if I write the break statement, it will directly come out of this switch loop. Okay, this switch loop, when I click on this brace, obviously the upper brace will get highlighted. So okay, when I write this break statement, the pointer comes out of this and then it will come here. The pointer will come here, which will return 0. Okay, that's it. So after every case you need to write a break statement, because we don't know which case the user is going to enter. Okay, yeah. So I have successfully written everywhere a break statement. So if now a user enters 13 or a number greater than equal to, or a number greater than, or if the user has entered a number greater than equal to 12, it should give him a error. So there should be always a default statement whenever you use a switch case function. So default, and then there will come default and semicolon, then comes printf, our error message, whatever the error should be. This is going to be the error which the user will get if we write a incorrect number. So that's it, and here also will come a break statement. So that's our program, which is going to return us the name of the month which we are going to enter. So let's save it and build and run. Okay, we have an error. Yeah, so here the error is that we use the semicolon here, whereas it is not required here. Let's save it and again build and run. So you need to remember what kind of error it happens. So sometimes there is an error saying about a syntax error. So this was basically a syntax error which I did. I placed a semicolon when it was not required. So let's just enter a number between 1 to 12. So I'll enter 8. It should display as August, and there we go. Let's just think the user has entered a number called as 13 or greater than 12. So let's say 55. It just displayed our error message saying error number is greater than 12. That's it for today's video. So thanks a lot for watching my video. If you like it, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down if you love it or you want more of it. Yeah. So thanks a lot again.